Hey guys, Juan with the Skagit Home Repairs. I am here in Mount Vernon today and I am cleaning gutters. Here's the situation. When the gutters get a lot of leaves, they pile right here. They have the screen protectors there for the downspout. It will clog them and then the water doesn't drain, and when it doesn't drain, he overfills the gutter, and he either makes it over through this, but most likely, almost every time, he makes it back, and it ruins the decking and rafter tails. Here I am blowing the leaves with the blower. This is just one of the methods that we offer to clients, but we always talk to the client and to see what they like and to see what meets their needs.